Alrighty guys, we're gonna draw a great white shark today. So make sure your paper is the long way and we're gonna get started. So we're gonna start with his eye. So we're gonna draw a circle for his eye, a circle for our great white shark's eyeball. Then we're gonna draw this semicircle. So our shark's kind of looking off to the side. And then we're going to add one more circle. Then the last thing we need to do to our eye is just color in that semicircle. Go ahead and color in your semicircle. Alright, that's all there is to it. We're done with the eye. Let's go ahead and draw that eyebrow above the eye we just drew. Just a curved line above the eye. And we're going to go ahead and draw the top of his head and his snout. So it's going to curve and go down, up into a smile. Up into a smile. So it curves, comes to a point, and then curves back around to form his mouth. Then we're going to give him this little dot for his nostril so he can breathe. Little dot for his nostril. Then we're going to give him some teeth. So we're just going to draw some triangles and make them extra pointy. Make them extra pointy. I'm going to add one more tooth just for good measure. But you can give your shark as many teeth as you want. I'm just going with 3. Then we're going to draw the rest of his mouth. So we're going to draw this curved line that goes downward. Curved line that goes downward. And we need to give some teeth here too. So I'm going to draw some more teeth. Some more teeth. Good. Then we're going to finish his mouth. I'm going to add this little line. Then we're all done with the mouth. Let's give him some gills. Then we'll go ahead and move on his body. So we're going to draw this curved line and then we're going to stop. We're going to stop because we need to draw his fin, which is going to go right after that line. So we're going to curve in, curve around, and then bring it back up. And that's how we draw his fin. All right, let's continue drawing his body. So we're going to curve up and stop. Curve up and stop. We need to leave some room for the end of his tail, so we'll stop there. All right, let's go to this side again. We're gonna draw a fin on the top of his head. And when you're done with that, we're gonna draw one more line and then stop. One more line and then stop. So that we can draw the very end of his tail. So we're gonna start from that line, we're gonna point and then curve down. We don't go all the way down, we leave just a teeny tiny bit of room. We draw that leaf shape. All right, we're gonna draw another leaf shape. So we're gonna curve, and then we're gonna do this on the other side, and ta-da! We have our shark drawing. All right, let's go ahead and color in our great white sharks. So I gave him a white tummy, and then I made the rest of him gray, just like a great white shark in the wild. Well, thanks for following along, guys. Thanks for watching. Have fun coloring. See you next time.